Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about linear search, part of data structures using C++ course. Linear search is a simple and straightforward search technique used to find the position of a target value within an unordered or ordered list. The search starts from the first element of the list and continues until the target value is found or the end of the list is reached. If the target value is found, the index or position of the target value is returned. Otherwise, the search fails. Linear search has a time complexity of O of n, where n is the number of elements in the list, making it inefficient for large data sets. And here is an example of a linear search in C++. Linear search function takes an array ARR, its size n, and the target element x as input. It iterates through the array and compares each element with x. If a match is found, it returns the index of the element. If no match is found, it returns -1. In the main function, we declare an array ARR with some elements. We then call the linear search function and pass the array ARR, its size n, and the target element x as arguments. The function returns the index of the element if it is found, otherwise it returns -1. Finally, we check the result and print the appropriate message. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.